Hello, good day. How are you today? I hope you're good and you're happy. Okay, so today in basic science, we are going to be looking at wood. Our topic for today in basic science is on wood. The meaning of wood, types of wood, and so on. We are going to be learning about wood in today's lesson. Okay? Are we ready to know more about wood? Okay, let's go on with today's lesson. What do we mean by wood? Wood means the hard fibrous substance that makes up the stems and branches of trees and woody plants. Wood is a natural material derived from trees. Wood means the hard fibrous substance that makes up the stem and branches of a tree and woody plants. Wood is a natural material derived from trees. Okay, now we have different types of wood. We are going to be looking at the different types of wood we have. We have the hardwood. The hardwood comes from deciduous trees that shed their leaves annually. Examples of hardwoods include oak, maple, cherry, and walnut. Hardwoods are known for their strength, durability, making them suitable for furniture, flooring, and carpentry. Hardwoods are known for their strength and durability, making them suitable for furniture, flooring, and carpentry. Then we have softwood. Softwood comes from coniferous trees, evergreen trees like with needles. Examples of softwoods include pine, spruce, and cedar. Softwoods are generally less dense and are often used in construction, such as for framing and outdoor applications like decks. Softwoods are used for framing and other outdoor applications like decks. Hardwood is used for furnishing, flooring, and carpentry. We have the plywood. The plywood is not a specific type of wood, but a type of engineered wood product. It is made by gluing together multiple layers of thin wood veneers with the grain of adjacent layers running at the right angle. Plywood is versatile and used in construction and furniture. Plywood is versatile and is used in construction and furniture. Plywood is used in construction and furniture. We have the particle board. The particle board is made from wood particles, such as sawdust and wood shavings, combined with adhesive and pressed into sheets. It is used for furnishing and shelving. It is used for furnishing and shelving. The particle board. Okay. Then we have the bamboo. The bamboo is often included in discussions about wood because it is fast growing, renewable grass that is used for flooring, furnishing, and various other applications. The bamboo is also used for flooring, furnishing, and various other applications. So we mentioned that types of wood. We have the hardwood, we have the softwood, we have the plywood, we have the particle board, and we have the bamboo. Working wood and craftsmanship. What do we mean by working wood? Working wood means making things out of wood. It's like building with blocks, but using real wood and tools to create furniture, toys, and other useful or decorative items. Then what do we mean by craftsmanship? Craftsmanship means doing your best and making things with care and skill. It's like being an artist with wood. When you pay close attention to the details and making something that looks good and works well, that is when you are showing good craftsmanship. When working with wood, what are we to do? We are to put safety first. Always wear safety gears like goggles and be cautious with tools. Learn about the basic tool first. Learn how to use the simple tools like hammer, screwdriver, saw, and measuring tape. Practice measuring accurately with a ruler. Know about measurement. Know the different types of wood we have, the hardwood and the softwood. Tool care, how to keep tools clean and safe. Know how to keep them clean and safe after using them. And always be safe while using the tools. Make sure you are with an elder, you are with your elders while using those tools, so that you won't get hurt. Okay? You don't use the tools when you are all by yourself. Do we understand that? So when working with wood, you should make sure that you're wearing your safety gears. Know about the basic tools like hammer, screwdriver, saw, measuring tape. Know how to measure accurately with your ruler. Know the types of wood, the hard and soft wood. How to take care of the tools and safety reminder. Okay? Carpentry tools and uses. We have some carpentry tools and their uses. What are they used for? What is hammer used for? Number one, we have the hammer. What is it used for? To drive nails into wood and to remove them. Number one is the hammer. We have the hammer here. This is called the hammer. Is to drive nails into wood or remove them. You use this side to nail into the wood, and if you want to remove the nail, you use this other side to remove the nail. Then we have the screwdriver, to turn screws and attach or detach things. This is the screwdriver with different mouths. It's used for turning screws or to attach it or detach it. Then we have the saw. This is the saw, to cut wood into different shapes and sizes. The saw is used to cut woods into different shapes and size. Okay? We said we have the hammer, which is used for driving nails into the wall and removing them. We have the screwdriver, to turn screws and attach or detach things. We have the saw, to cut woods into different shapes and size. This is the saw. Okay? We have the measuring tape, to measure the length of the wood or other materials. This is the measuring tape. This is called measuring tape. It is used to measure the length of the wood or other materials. We have the pencil as also a carpentry tool. It's used to mark where you want to cut or attach things. It's used to mark, like we have here, where you want to cut or attach things. Then we have the clamp, to hold piece of wood together while you are working with them. This is the clamp, to hold piece of wood together while you're working with them. Okay, these are carpentry tools: measuring tape, pencil, clamp. We have nail, to fasten piece of wood together by hammering them. These are called nails. To fasten piece of wood together by hammering them, using the hammer to nail them into the wood. These are called the nails. Then we have the screws, to join piece of wood together and other material. This is called screws. And remember, we have the screwdriver, so the screwdriver is used with these screws. Then we have the sandpaper, to make wood smooth or remove rough edges. This is called the sandpaper. It makes wood smooth and remove rough edges. Okay, we have safety goggles, to protect your eyes from sawdust and flying debris. This is the safety goggles. So it's a carpentry tool to protect your eyes. Ear protection, to protect your ears from loud noise like hammering or sawing. When you're hammering or using the saw to cut, you wear your ear protection to protect your ear from the loud noise. So all these we mentioned are carpentry tools. We mentioned the hammer, screwdriver, saw. We mentioned measuring tape, pencil, clamp, nails, screws, sandpaper, safety goggles, ear protection. All these are carpentry tools. So do we understand what we mean by carpentry tools and their uses? Good. So today lesson on wood, we have talked about the meaning of wood, the types of wood we have, and what they are used for, right? We have also talked about the carpentry tools. So we understand today's lesson on wood, right? Good. So we are going to do our assignment. List and explain the types of wood. Number 1. I'm sure we are able to do that because we learned it today. 2. Mention 5 carpentry tools and their uses. We can do that, right? Okay. Draw one carpentry tool of your choice. Among all the carpentry tools we mentioned, you are to draw one. I'm sure you'll be able to do that. Okay.